is Madison, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make cereal slime. But it's going to be strawberry milk and not like plain milk. So first you're going to need a bowl and glue. You can pull as much as you want. I just pulled this much because I don't want to overflow. Now you take some red food dye. Don't put too much, but like put a little bit. I did a dot. You can do as much as you want, but I want it to be a really pastel, like pink, and yeah. So this is kind of the color that you want to go for, because like it's perfect. Now you shut your red food dye, because yeah. Now to make it soft, get some conditioner. And put like a little bit in, not a lot. And like if it gets too watery, you put some glue, more glue in. And by the way, this conditioner smells really good. So yeah. Now I'll get some lotion. And put like maybe like 10 to 12 pumps. I'm doing as much as I want. You can do a little or a lot. Doesn't really matter. Now mix. And you're going to want to get all the edges because you want it to be fully mixed. And yeah. Now I was not going to put shaving cream. So I'm going to put a little bit because I like shaving cream. Okay, wait. This is from Dollar Tree, so it's not like the best. But it's pretty good if you can't get like shaving cream from Walmart, go to Dollar Tree. It's $1 for like really good shaving cream. I just wouldn't prefer it because I like high quality shaving cream. Now you have like this liquidy glue texture. Now you're going to want to do your activator. So get some baking soda. Or if you have borax, just get some borax. But don't put it in dry. Put the borax in the water first. And then mix. Because it won't, trust me, it will feel bad. Mix the baking soda in. Now get your saline solution. And put some in. Now don't overactivate or don't get impatient. Because you will overactivate your slime and it won't come out the best. And like if it isn't going to activate, then put shaving cream in it because shaving cream helps it activate. And I learned this a lot. I'm going to just do the activating method instead because it's easier. See, it's kind of activated. So put some shaving cream in. I'm putting in a lot because I want to. And also because I really like to feel fluffy slime. See, now it's activating. Shaving cream really helps the activation. It's a true fact. But the bad thing is that it kind of activates and then it gets too like thick and then it halts. But you just gotta have the patience and the time. Okay, now we're gonna put in some saline solution. That went everywhere. Okay, it's like all over me right now. You can't really see it, but like it went on my arm. And you're going to want to put that in until it's activated. This is really tiny. This is really thick too, so it isn't even like thin. Because thin slimes are easier to activate. Put more shaving cream in. Because that's better than putting baking soda. Because if you put too much baking soda, it feels like sand. And I don't like sandy textures. But it just feels overactivated, and I hate that. getting there. It's almost done, actually. It needs a little bit more saline solution. When I say a little bit, I say a lot. I mean a lot, but not too much. Alright, so this is taking a long time, but it is activating. Okay, it's getting there. It's actually it's getting towards activation. It's just sticky. I'm going to touch it with my hand. Oh yeah, nope. Bad idea. Bad idea. Okay, it's way too sticky still. But like when it globs up, it's not like that sticky, but it's sticky to the point that you don't want to touch it yet. If you know what I mean. It's almost done. I mean, it's kind of coming off the bowl. Well, when I say that, I mean it's going to stick. But that's what I mean by it not being done. This is tiny. I'm going to put more shaving cream. Honestly, shaving cream is better than baking soda. Because like you can tell how much you're going to put than how much you're not going to put. Okay, now I'm going to take this out because it's activated pretty good. Ooh, that's good. Okay, now I'm going to take it out and put it on this. Now you might be like, why is your slime not on a table? It's not on a table because some of my slimes either like dye it or like it's too sticky and sticks to it. So that's why it's not on the table. So this is actually a lot of slime, and I was not intending to make this much. But if you like a lot of slime, then go for it. But I need this to be sticky because I'm going to be adding some beads that I got from the Dollar Tree, and this is Lucky Charm slime because they look like Lucky Charms, like the marshmallows, but not exactly. So you're gonna still need to like knead it because it's still really sticky, but it's not too sticky. Now put a little bit more. Honestly, I think ice shaving cream is better than baking soda. You guys probably know that. I've said it like 9,000 million times. I'm sorry. This is my first video, and like I kind of want it to be good, you know. Okay. So it's getting there actually. It's pretty good. And like if it gets too hard, just put more lotion, but I kind of want to be sticky. But you don't have to make it sticky. Just, I don't want it to fall out. And yeah. It's all over my hands. So here it is without the beads. Now I'm going to put the beads on it. Well, in it. So here they all. Do you like that sound? I do. Now take one spoonful and put it on top. And then if you need more, put more. But I don't want to make it too beady because I don't like bead slime. But I do sometimes. Okay. This is kind of sticky still. So I might activate it in a minute. Like you can see the beads in it. It feels really good with them. But it really sticks to like fingers. Like it sticks to this finger for me. Sorry. Oh, this is really soft, like pretty. You can't really see it on camera. Like it's a really good color. And it's really satisfying to the touch. I'm gonna put more beads in because you can't really see them, and there's a lot of green beads in here. Take another spoonful. I like taking a little bit more. Doesn't that look appetizing? Don't eat slime, okay? Do not. I love this slime. This is one of my favorites, not gonna lie. Okay, now it's like still really sticky. And when it hits that stage, that's the most shady thing. Because I like fluffy slime. And I only have fluffy slimes, like I know the textures. Oh no. Guys, my arms are so tired. And I have a challenge for you. What do you, like, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what other slimes I should make. Like, if you want me to make, a fluffy, like, think of a fluffy slime, but then think of something like I have to do with it. Like maybe a really foam slime, or putting too much stuff into slime video. It's whatever you guys comment. And it needs a little more activator, but it's really good. I like shaving cream because shaving cream just activates it for me. I don't know why it activates it for me, but yeah. This is really tiring. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys don't know what it is, it's called Mad Times. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you this one last time. It's really glossy. Well, it's not glossy, but it is really good. It's still sticky, but I'm just going to put some of this saline solution. Because that's like the actual activator. There we go. And now I'm going to put it in a container to show you how it looks. So I have this big of a container, but I think I made a little bit too much, so I don't think it was going to fit. Oh, it does. And it's like to pull them out. And it comes out pretty easily. Before I go, I'm going to show you a slime that I made today also, like 3 hours ago. Sorry, I'm trying to clean up my hands. But it is like a brown, it's like a brownish red. It's called Hot Chocolate Dreams. It is a just basic slime. It's fluffy with a lot of foam beads. I really like this one too. But this one has glitter in it. The other one is just a basic slime. So yeah, I hope you, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, like I said, subscribe.